This is the 6-way mounted to a stand that we made for purposes of being able to manufacture the hitch and have some type of apparatus to be able to bolt it to that already had the electrics and the hydraulics, so that we can run anything that we build through its functions to make sure it works before it goes to a vehicle. This is what we are calling is the common apparatus. This is the 6-way. So the common apparatus is through here, and it bolts with these 4 bolts on this side and 4 bolts on this side to this stand. So if you took away these 4 bolts here and these 4 bolts here, everything here would drop, and that would be what we're calling your common apparatus. The reason we're calling it a common apparatus is because for any vehicle that this went to, of course, every vehicle has different chassis widths. Different modifications will be needed up underneath the back of a truck. So an adapter would have to be made to accommodate whatever chassis width and whatever type of configuration needs to be done for whatever vehicle the common apparatus is going to be bolted to. The common apparatus consists of all of your hydraulic cylinders, the valve body, and the hitch itself. What that allows you to do is that all the hoses, the hydraulic hoses, can all be the exact same size. It's all one unit. The only separate components associated with the 6-way is the electric over hydraulic pump that you're seeing down here at the bottom. So if this goes on a vehicle, all you have to do is have positive and negative wires, your power source coming from the battery of the vehicle, that would go to the electric over hydraulic pump, which can be mounted wherever you decide. That can be mounted on the trucks we've done so far. It's been mounted to the chassis up underneath the bed of the truck. I mean, you could even put this inside of a toolbox if needed in the back of the truck, whatever your preference is and whatever your vehicle is. So your power goes from your battery to your electric over hydraulic pump, and then your main hydraulic lines go from wherever your electric over hydraulic pump is mounted to your valve body that's bolted to your 6-way. That's an electric solenoid valve body. So that is what is controlled when you're using your controls. You are actually controlling the valve body. So when you trigger the valve body, the fluid's passing through. Of course, that's what's working your hydraulic cylinders, and that's what's causing the function. So right now, I'll just show the function. This right here is a all-time power source that we did just for testing and just for the stand. So just turn it on. And then the same thing, just going through your function. So we got out. Side to side. And of course, up and down. One thing with the 6-way is that these 2 pins are removed, which just removes your hitch itself. This can be anything. This could be a pintle hitch. This could be different size balls. This could be drop extensions, a resin type ball for different type of applications, whatever you want. So, and also as far as anything that you're hooking to, you've got all this range of adjustment. So this could be unpinned, this could be bolted up here, bolted in the center, whatever you want for any type of adjustment. What that allows you to do is you can, when this is on a vehicle, you can come up, adjust your hitch, and you could get to tongues that are, or hitches that are lower to the ground, or you could even come up and get to something even this tall if you needed to, using your adjustments. This could also be changed out for a pintle hitch or whatever type of anything that you're hauling as well. When you back up to a vehicle or back up to a trailer, you get it hooked up, you get your trailer leveled, your load leveled like you want, and then you have different pin off ranges. You have every 2 inches throughout this tube is your pin holes, and you have 2 different pin areas right here on this outer plate. So you can adjust your load to be level through just about any range. So you get that correct as far as your load level. And then your side-to-side pins off with this U-shaped pin. and that goes in these two holes right here. It just drops in, pins off, and that pins off your apparatus from being able to come in and out or side to side in case you had any type of hydraulic cylinder failure while you're going down the road. So this pins off totally to itself, so you don't have to rely on the hydraulic cylinders to support your load while you're going down the road. This right here is your safety chain hookups. And then as far as your power source, we chose on the back of my truck, we've chosen a power plug that goes into the back of the bumper so that this can just plug in with about 10 foot of cord. That way you could be out, you could look at your load, whether you were doing a camper or a boat and needed to be able to get away from the back of the truck while adjusting your load. But we've also got these on toggle switches as well, so you can have a fixed up, down, side to side, in and out function, just a fixed box on the back of whatever type of vehicle that you're doing. And that's pretty much it. That's the 6-way hitch.